quick rundown on the AI fund and where those trades have gone since the initial suggestion. So starting with SOUN, that's SOUN as the ticker. 253 was the entry, 411 was the target, all the way to $5.16. So a good 100% on that trade. Very well done. It's up again 23.71% today, so reached back to those previous entries, having dropped back down again. A lot of people will be looking at this as an opportunity. I'd say there's potential continuation divergence. Sure, you had a potential reason to bounce here, and so very oversold. If the rally continues, you'll start going up, and that'll be the same with a lot of different things. But with regard to this particular move, that was over 100%. RGTI, entry suggested was 0.51. So far on this rise, it's made it to 3.40. So strong move so far. That was 575% on Rigetti. NVDA, the entry was suggested at 190, then made the biggest gain market cap the stock market has ever seen, up 151% on NVIDIA, so I hope you've been taking profit, though it looks like it might continue. SMCI, entry suggested on this was 215, made its way up to 358, that was a 65% rise recently. BBAI, Big Bear, 23rd of May, I haven't got it drawn in, but I know we talked about it at the time. Where's the 23rd of May? May 23rd. This guy, yes, a little bit of a dip. Overall, it hasn't completely collapsed, but their own particular focus is on providing efficiencies for the US military, which hasn't got the same hype as many other companies. For example, AI.com, a couple of trades on this guy. I've had a few videos on it. First suggested entry was at 22, 24. The target was 47. Overall, got that. First target on it was 33. If you were to have taken both of these trades, you'd have got this guy up to 95%, and then subsequent entry, just had that, and it's already up nearly 10%. So that's good. PLTR, Palantir Technologies, a lot of hype around this at different stages. Suggested 914 entry, it went as high as $20. That's 119% on PLTR. Amazon, fantastic suggestions here. Low side of this trade, let's see, took out the entry, will not be over the top here, and it got 54% rise on Amazon, that's good. Google, again, positive move in this formation, suggested this entry, bit of an impulse move afterwards. So far, made it up 25%, that's good. QTUM, Quantum, we had our, it's quite clear all the instructions there. 100, what was that, 22%. BOTZ, another brilliant move so far here. Took this so far, double top at that stage with divergence, but ignoring the swing failure at the moment, you got 72% on BOTZ. Apple, couple of different trade setups on this guy. Check the Discord for more information. The target on that was 20%. Move quite linear, no need to worry. Went up 46%. That was a good move. Microsoft similarly boosted to the top side as Apple did. On this move, you got greater than, pardon me, I lost the guy there. Got greater than 20% overall. IRBO, another good move. This guy was a move so far of 22%. ARKQ, Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF. Good guy here with the entry. Target was 57. Went as high as 59. You got 25% there. ROBT. First Trust Nasdaq Artificial Intelligence and Robotics ETF. We also had this guy. Target was to 42, would have been 6%. You got 20 gain. QS QuantumScape. Huge moves here. Suggested 5 with the target. 640 justifying the trade. Ended up going all the way as high as 1383. It was 140% there. And IBM, also big move on IBM. Talked about this entry. These are all around exactly the same date of the very first video. You were looking at a target of up to around 114, which would have been 18%, but it went on again, and 21.69%. So across the board, really good performance on the AI funds, and people doing very, very well. Great to see. I haven't actually got any return on making these videos at all on the AI funds there. So if people want to see more of these, want an update and so on, join the Patreon, and that's where we'll be doing updates on this from now on. Or of course you can make fax requests. There's a special sale on the fax requests at minute. I'm doing them for as cheap as $20, which is less than half price on what they could cost. So that's a massive saving. It's on for the next week only. $20 for your fax request. Links in the description below. And of course, if you want to be making hundreds and hundreds of percents like this off your own back, then I've got a course teaching you how to spot and take these opportunities at www.technicalanalysis.school. Hit the like button. See you in the next one.